भाई अभी तुम्हारा कैमरा ऊपर हाइट हो गया, इतना ही था मेरा। वो मंगेश भाई बीच में आ रहे यार।
Good evening, everyone, so that we can begin today's any introduction at all. Also with her we have before we get to the main part of this afternoon, I'd like to tell you a little bit about Women's Health magazine. Today we are here because we are celebrating the second anniversary issue of Women's Health. Women's Health is a magazine from the India Today group, and it is a magazine for women, young women who want to be fit, who want to be well.
Unhealthy from inside. It's very important to be healthy, and I think that's what.
सोनाक्षी क्या करूँ, नहीं मिल रहा है ना। नहीं सोनाक्षी सोनाक्षी वही 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 वही। अरे थोड़ा आगे आइए ना मैम। राइट मैम, सेंटर सेंटर।
Well, Sonakshi is like that, isn't she?
They were more enhanced earlier. Well, I guess they're just a bit more sharper now, and I'm really glad for this change. I'm glad I met Abbas, and he's trained me really well. He's more than changing, just the way I look. He's changed my lifestyle when it comes to diet, when it comes to working out, when it comes to fitness. I don't want to be skinny, I don't want to be thin, I don't want to be weak. I want to be fit, and I want to be able to do my work and do it well, and I want to look good while doing so. So I think he's instilled that in me in the last few months that I've been working out with him.
So the whole idea was to educate her what she's getting into it. What we did is a combined training. We didn't stick ourselves to only TRX, only fitness, only weight training, only running. So we combined combination of everything, combination of 11 elements of fitness, where she does boxing. You have to see that the way she punches. The coach who trains her, from our side,
No thing, I'll go all out and achieve it, and I guess I did. When I decided I want to do it, I took a step towards that and tried to achieve my goals rather than being pressurized from outside, from people telling me that, look at her, she's so fat, she's so this, she's so that, Until it didn't come from within, I didn't want to do it.
Right.
Because I've had friends who've had self-esteem problems, even though they were not fat or even, being slightly overweight, they would really put themselves down. So I just hope, wish and pray that people don't have to face that.
Right.
Ever in their lives.
Right. But
And I used to be like, "Arey, आज इतना काम कर लिया, थक गए, अब gym नहीं जाएंगे."
feel sorry for
Yeah,
yourself.
and I'm like, I'm working so hard, I can't go to the gym now anymore. And I used to be very lazy about it, and I think I changed that again about myself.
Right.
You make a decision and you stand by it. Today, no matter how tired I am when I come back from work, I have a treadmill at home. I get onto it for at least half an hour, 40 minutes. I walk or I run, and just that small decision of making up your mind has really changed, and y'all are seeing the results. I mean, I would have never thought I would be on the cover of Women's Health until about a few months back, and I would have never thought that y'all would be using adjectives like slim and slender and svelte for me a few months back. So things have really changed because of that one small decision.
Right. And
in terms of the form and technique. And being a woman, she used to train like a pro.
how many kilos can I ask?
So her maximum kettlebell is like 14 kilos something lift, which is good. It's like around
That's
20 plus
impressive.
pounds.
That's really impressive.
So, and she does good box jumps, which I used to use the reverse psychology when we started doing box jump. I said, you can't do it because Indian women can't jump. I had to challenge her. She said, I can do it. I said, prove me wrong then. So she's like, hold my hand before taking that, jump on maybe a 12-inch box or a 14-inch box. I said, I'm not holding my hand. I said, prove me wrong that you can't jump. So that her first jump was so perfect. I said, you achieved that first one. Now graduate to the second, third, fourth. So that's how the journey's been. It took us 12 weeks of motivation, teaching. See, fitness, I said it's all about it. Fitness starts at home. So the moment you wake up, the moment you brush, the first thing what you eat decides your transformation. If you start with a cook, just take a cup of coffee or just wake up and have your breakfast after 1 hour, the start of the day is only gone wrong. So it was not that 1 hour of training I'm meeting her every day. It was 24 hours. So if I'm not meeting her throughout the month, there were months where she was shooting and traveling. But first 8 weeks of teaching, which I say I'm coming to teach you, I'm not coming to train you. Because if I teach you, you can be on your own when you travel. Being a woman, it's difficult to understand the body then train. Because that's more of a male domain.
Thank you so much.
I think they'll need some bites and.
अरे एक क्यों 100 ले लो
लगा हुआ है ना?
सोनाक्षी राइट से
रिपुल बूम मत दिखाना, रिपुल बूम मत दिखाना।
सोनाक्षी राइट
सोनाक्षी जी यहाँ पे सोनाक्षी 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 ओके
साइन कर